Another kind of interesting study in '95, DES is a medication that was given to moms to prevent, might have been to prevent miscarriages. I frankly forget. I apologize. Found that higher numbers of children whose moms took this DES reported bisexuals or homosexual tendencies. Now, this is studied back in '95, and we were still talking about tendencies. You've got gay tendencies, you've got homosexual tendencies. We're starting to learn a lot more about the genetic and neurological kind of indicators or predictors of homosexual arousal and behaviors and identities. And will we find out that bisexuality is connected to that stuff somehow? I think so. We'll see. Bisexuality is this very broad term that umbrella describes everything between gay and straight. And now we've got all of these amazing, nuanced, individually determined and driven and defined terms that break apart all of that middle ground. We're measuring bisexuality by what behavior, what you do or have done, by what turns you on, and by how you identify. Are those the right things? They appear to be the foundational things. They appear to be the things that are really underlying sexuality. And that these things may not all necessarily go together. I suggest looking at all of these additional variables, as we've talked, looking at the history of personality, openness to experience, sensation seeking, conscientiousness, the rigidness, follow the rules, or willing to be a little flexible about the rules. Looking at self-awareness. Those homophobic men who are angry at the fact that sometimes they get aroused at the sight of another male's penis. Are they aware of that? What would it change for them to accept that? Ted Haggard, it changed things for him to understand that his sexual arousal, his sexual behaviors and desires were actually